happy holidays and happy new year. I hope you had a great time this last few weeks with your family. We at the Johnson house did that as well. And I've been looking forward to opening up one more gift for the holidays. And that is this bag from Lisa from Cash Advance. In here is a cash crate and also a geocaching t-shirt. If you don't know what the cash crate is, it is a monthly subscription box. Lisa from Spokane, Washington packs up geocaching goodies, and I open them up here on camera so you can see just a little bit what it's like. This time, the cash crate and the t-shirt came in the same bag. I'm gonna see the t-shirt first. Ooh, we've got maroon for the shirt. It's super soft as always. And we got a little holiday message here. How perfect. All I want for Christmas is an FTF on an ammo can. And I love that. Because, you know, let's be honest, ammo cans, some of the best type of geocaches. So, just so I can show you how it fits, I will put this on through the magic of YouTube. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! There it is. Nice. Even the magic got even through my hooded sweatshirt. But there it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. FTF, Merry Christmas. All I want for Christmas is an ammo can. Very nice. If you want a geocaching tee, just go to Geocaching Tees and you can subscribe there. And you too can get a shirt sent to your mailbox every single month and you can grow your geo wardrobe. All right, without further ado, let's get to the cash crate now. Presentation. Lisa does a great job with the presentation. Oh, it looks, I see green and I see red. Very festive. Ooh, first item I see is a package inside of a package. We have an HQ22 sticker, love that. We'll put that on my geo luggage. We have the HQ22 patch, perfect. I don't have this yet. I love it, HQ22 lapel pin, which of course I will put on my jean jacket. Oh yeah. I have run out of this. Every good geocacher has a good supply of this. We've got camo tape. I get so many containers in the cash crate and they're not camo. So this is great because it's camo duct tape. You just wrap it around there and camouflage your geocaches very well. I haven't gotten this in the cash crate, I don't think, in years. Oh, look at this. A little festive bag. Aw, this is so cool. Got an ornament that also says all I want for Christmas is an FTF on an ammo can. Well, we know exactly where that's going. I'm gonna put it right on my tree. It's still up. How perfect is that? I love that. And I like the little carrying case to keep it safe each year. The festivities continue. We got a trackable Bell holiday trackable tag right here. Perfect. I could also hang that on the tree if I wanted to. And as well, I always get the add-on trackable, and this time, I don't think I have this one. It's a badger, but it's not only a badger, but it's a badger holding, of course, an ammo can. I really like the theme of this cash crate. I'm feeling like it's holidays, but also the theme of ammo can. All right, that was really fun to open. If you too want to get the cash crate, go to cashcrate.com, and if it's open, you can subscribe there. And if you use the promo code GEO15 at checkout, you get 15% off your first payment. That means you save more if you subscribe for the 6 months or the year. I hope you guys have a very happy new year. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you next time as I share more geocaching adventures and more unboxings like the cash crate.